Hey, what's up, SLP coin holders? So, really, expert says my friends to in upcoming time, 15% my friend, the price is increasing. The really huge explosion is coming soon. So, really, we will understand my friend in this video to really the huge explosion is coming soon, or they are just only joking or wasting our time. Let's start the brand video, but kindly, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. I hope if you subscribe our YouTube channel, so I will guide you and I will give you my friends the latest updates and my friend price prediction videos. So this time, as you can see, my friends, the SLP price is increasing. You can see from last 1 hour, 0.52%, 0.52% in last 1 hour. But in last one day, 2.52%. But if we check out, my friends, the last 7 days. So in last 7 days, minus 4.21%, the price is decreased now, and there is a big reason, my friend. The first reason was that especially short-term investors are starting selling. And remember, to when a short-term investor are starting selling, then the price is very badly falls down. So therefore, you can see, my friends, the SLP price is very badly falls down in minus 4.21%. My friends, the SLP price will decrease now. All right. So therefore, I will notify you to please in upcoming time. The really huge pump is coming soon. So kindly holders don't starting selling. You will need, my friends, to stop selling and holding. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time the SLP, one of my favorite coin, price will more and more pumps up, and they will give you a double to triple profit. So therefore, if we check out, my friend, from last 1 month chart to what's going on in the last 1 month, this is very important. 0.72% in last 1 month, my friend, is the time the price is increased. You can see here, especially in the start of month, this coin will completely go to the moon, but after that they will fails down, and after that again they will moving upward. So I hope, my friends, in upcoming time the price will more and more increasing. But kindly holders, you will need to hold down and don't starting selling. Otherwise, my friend, if you are starting selling, then remember to they will never give you a profit and you are very badly fails down. So thanks for watching SLP Go and holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope in upcoming time SLP will make you a millionaire. Allah Hafiz, take care.